Me trying them too.
The bad thing is the finish on it.
Yeah.
I know the taste.
Yeah, I feel like, I don't know, I've never had kimchi, but I feel like
No. Kimchi's awesome.
Kimchi.
You had kimchi before, haven't you?
Let's
fermented stringers. You got crap hanging off your lip. What's it? It's got a familiar taste, but it's not.
See, like, it doesn't taste horrible.
It's almost like an uncooked lima bean.
Yeah? Let's see. The sauce smells good. Put some of that on it. Yeah.
Let's see if it strings out dark now.
Yeah. And some mustard. Tiny
We got a bunch of it.
Tiny pack of mustard.
That's not spicy mustard.
I don't know, is it?
It should be.
Squirt it on there. It's a tiny packet of mustard. And then stir it up.
I wouldn't stir it. I'd eat the flavor off the
It
top.
says to stir it. I read an article. Natto. Thing. There's not strings. Oh my god, you can see the strings.
It's not strings, babe. Oh my god. Like, you could put them on your nose and it look funny. It look like a piercing. Going from your lips to your nose. Now, if that had more flavor, I like that.
Yeah.
But it's
Get on my chopsticks.
That's what happens when you're on film. It just needs more flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a little salt and pepper or something.
I like how it's like crunchy, like it doesn't feel like a mushroom.
Yeah, well, it feels like the stem one.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I usually use
Which
it.
that was closer to the stem. This is the...
That's not bad, though. It just needs a little more sauce flavor.
Mm. I will eat this because I cooked it.
But those beans things, it's just, like I said, it's just they say it's fermented, but it tastes more to me like it's not been anything done to it.
Yeah, they said that lots of people say it doesn't taste like much and that it's 90% smell.
Yeah, I could probably go with that.
And just put all the sauce on it.
Well, I'm going to go get rid of my one bean.
Yeah?
It's not horrible, it's just gross.
It's not horrible, it's just gross.
We're going to find out because we're having paella this weekend.
Yeah?
Canned paella.
Canned paella. Oh yeah, see, with all the sauce on it, it doesn't taste that bad. Beans are good for you. Me. What? Let's see if that made it better or worse. Ow! An onion. Oh my god! Okay, so I put the beans on the mushrooms.
Not.
It made it a little bit better.
Put some beef jerky on it, or some hot dog in there.
I actually like the sauce. It's kind of like a spicy soy sauce.
Yeah.
I think it's called tare, but I'm not sure.
Potty.
T-A-R-E.
Perrier. Perrier.
Yeah, that. Mineral water. Mineral, not mineral water. I like the mushrooms.
Like I said, it just
like I didn't put any salt or pepper in it because I was following a recipe.
Right. Well, I don't think they use a lot, do they?
I don't know. I do not know. But I thought that the beans would taste like sour. That's what I was expecting.
Kind of what I was expecting.
Like a vinegary taste, which I like.
Yeah.
So that's why I was like, this is not vinegary at all. I have to like drink it.
More bitter than vinegar.
Mm. What? Oh yeah. Did you move those books this morning?
No, I didn't.
You didn't?
Mother didn't either.
No, I mean from where they were originally on the floor.
No.
There was a roach under them.
I know. The roach was not under it. It was out of it.
And you didn't move the books?
No.
The roach moved out from under the books?
Was it still dead?
I don't know. I threw it outside. I grabbed it with a pair of tongs.
Why would you do that?
Because I don't want to touch it.
And you still don't touch it.
It's too
Better quit
crunchy.
doing
I
that.
can't do the crunchy feeling.
Don't squish them, take them and flush them. Give them a new home.
I threw them outside.
So they don't come back.
Well, I'm pretty sure it was dead.
So did you put my books up? And if it took all three, you are a terrible shot.
Well, I just didn't want it to come out.
Huh?
No, I put one book and then I put more books on it.
Step on it.
I don't want to step on it. I don't like the crunchy feeling.
You're not going to feel it or hear it. It's under a freaking 18 pounds of books.
Oh, well, yeah.
That's why he crawled out.
I put the books on it and I stepped on them. I also picked up one of those yellow grasshopper things.
You're such a vagina anymore. You used to be quite tough.
I don't like bugs.
You don't complain about that one that crawls in your ear.
Shut your face. Shut up. I'm filming. This is conversation.
Don't worry, I'll put my tongs that I'm going to use in here.
Were you going to use them tonight?
Huh?
I can hand wash them.
No, God, no. I've seen your hand washing. You just rinse.
Not if there's bug juice on them.
Can't trust you anymore, Sid. You used to be such a good asset.
Mm.
Now you're just an ass.
Still filming.
I don't care.
Neither do I.
Black Lives Matter. See?
Yeah, like before 2:30. That's it from me, guys.
Alright, I'm going to work.